This spring, embrace a color you fear and be bold with it. For this look, I chose our Bold collection in the summer tones. My approach to this look was to go with analogous colors, those colors that are right next to each other on the color wheel. And that way I would make sure that my look was in harmony and I'd have a lot of fun too. So I went with my blues because so many people are afraid of them, and then I chose a purple and a purple blue. I mixed my eyeliner with the iLine that makes it into a gel color. It's so lovely, it makes it long lasting, and it goes on really nice. And then what I did was I chose a lip and cheek that were in color harmony with one another, so I used the red purples. I realized that when I started my makeup application that I had a red base lip on, so I just changed it out and I went with the red purple, and then I added a gloss on top. You can do this look too. It's really easy. Just pick any colors that are next to each other, or you can even use colors that are complementary to one another, which means they're across each other on the wheel. Have fun with color. Blue is a color so many people fear, so I was like, let's do it.